Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. Life is really simple, but men insist on making it complicated. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the results of other people's thinking. Life is not a problem to be solved, but a reality to be experienced. Everything negative pressure, challenges is all an opportunity for me to rise. Many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. If you want to live a happy life, tie it to a goal, not to people or things. Money and success don't change people, they merely amplify what is already there. Watch your thoughts, they become words. Watch your words, they become actions. Watch your actions, they become habits. Watch your habits, they become character. Watch your character, it becomes your density. It is not about being on time, it is basically about respecting your own commitments. When our signature changes to autograph, this marks the success. You cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and surely your habits will change your future. Accept your past without regret, handle your present with confidence, and face your future without fear. There are no secrets to success, it is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. We are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts live, they travel far.